In this JavaScript tutorial, we are going to see what are regular expressions in the JavaScript, and also we will see the regular expression examples in the JavaScript. So let's understand what are regular expressions in the JavaScript. Regular expressions are the patterns that is used to match the character combinations in the given string. In the JavaScript, regular expressions are also called as object guys. In the nutshell, so there will be a main string, that means the original string. We will be writing a simple expression by using that expression. So we will be checking that that particular data is present in the main string or not. So these are the very basic examples of the regular expressions in the JavaScript. So let's see all the examples. So here we have the example one. Here I have created a simple string variable and I have assigned the value as welcome to JavaScript tutorial full course. And then in the second line, I have created a simple expression called 1 / and that is ending with the / once again. And in between, I'm writing the some word. So this particular word, I'm checking it in the our main string, whether this particular JavaScript is present in the main string or not. So this is a simple expression I have written by using this variable, that is a regular expression. And here I'm using the test method, and inside that we are passing the our original string, that's a word, and it always returns you the boolean value. So basically it is checking here whether JavaScript is present in this word variable or not. So in our case, JavaScript is present over here, so that's the reason it returns us the true as a value. And coming to the second example, so here I have written another expression and it is very much similar to the first expression. Only thing is I have added the after the / I have added the I. That means case insensitive. For example, in the second example, what we are checking is whether JavaScript is present in the word variable or not. So in this case, I have written couple of characters here in the caps and rest of the characters are there in the smaller case. And if you look at the main string, all the characters are there in the lowercase. So it ignores the whether that particular character is there in the uppercase or in the lowercase. So because I have specified the case insensitive. So in this case also it returns the true as the value because JavaScript is present in the our word variable right here. Coming to the third example. So here we are writing the same expression, and if you look at the after / I have written the one cap symbol. So this particular cap symbol, what it does is to check whether this particular string is starting with the specified word or not. So in our case, I am passing the tutorial. So this particular string doesn't start with the tutorial because, so in my case, I have added a tutorial, but this particular main string is starting with the welcome. The output of this particular statement is false because this main string is not starting with the tutorial. Coming to the fourth example. And here just I have added the dollar symbol after the word. So this dollar symbol represents, let's say for example, I wanted to check whether my string contains the data ending with the specified word here. So here I'm checking in the fourth example whether my string is ending with the course or not. So in this case, it is true because this particular string is ending with the course, right? So this will returns the true as a value. And if I add some other value, and it will return as the false as a value. So let's see all these examples with the VS Code now. So here I'll simply create a one variable called word, and I will add the value as welcome to JavaScript tutorial full course. So that's it guys. Here I'll print the word variable, and if you look at the output, so it contains the welcome to JavaScript tutorial full course. So let's write the very first expression. So we will check whether this particular string has the JavaScript or not. So here I'll say var and regular expression, and here I'll say / and then I'll add the JavaScript and / and semicolon. So here I have written the expression now. So by using this variable, that is a regular expression variable, here I'll say regular expression dot, simply I'll say test. So inside this test method, we have to pass the our main string, that is the word. So here I'll say word. That's it, guys. And if you see the output here, the output is true because this main string contains the JavaScript. For example, let's update the our regular expression. So here I'll say this time I will pass the Java in the uppercase because this time it doesn't match us because in the main string we don't have the word called Java in uppercase and script in the lowercase. So let's run the test. So here I'll say regular expression once again, followed by that test, and I'll pass the original string, that's a word. And then if you see the output, it is a false because we have not written the expression that is matching with the case insensitive. So let's add the expression. Let's update the expression to add the case insensitive in the regular expression. So simply I will add the I, that's it. And once again I will run the test. And if you see here, so previously it was false. Now we have added the I, that is a case insensitive. So basically it checks whether J is present in this main string or not. And then it will check A is present in this main string or not. Then so on. It doesn't care about the whether character is there in the uppercase or in the lowercase. So this is how you can write the expression for matching with the case insensitive characters. Now let's write the third expression, that is we are going to check whether our main string is starting with the specified word or not. So let's see the positive case first. So here I'll say expression with the caps followed by, and here I'll say welcome. Because our main string is starting with the welcome, so this time it will returns the true as the output. So if I execute the test, so it returns the true because our main string is starting with the welcome. For example, if I pass some other data, some other characters, say for example, if I pass just Java, and if I execute the test once again, so this time it is false. That's the expected output because our main string that does not contains the that doesn't starts with the Java. So that is the expected output. Now let's see how you can check whether this particular main string is ending with the course or not. So that can be done by using the simple expression. So here I'll say just word, that's a course, followed by the dollar symbol. That's it, guys. So in our case, it will returns true because our main string is ending with the course. So let's see the positive case first, and then I will execute the test, and the output is true, right? So let's pass the incorrect word in the regular expression. So here I'll say courses. Then I will execute the test, and if you see the output here, the output is false because our main string doesn't end with the courses, so it ends with the just course. So these are the couple of examples for the regular expressions in the JavaScript.